So welcome to my channel. So form the DE corresponding to family of the parabolas, each of which has a latus rectum 4a and whose axis parallel to x axis. దీనికి మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫామ్ చేయాలి. యాక్చువల్గా దీని ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే y మైనస్ కే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4a ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ హెచ్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద parabola which has a latus rectum 4a and whose axis parallel to x axis. So differentiate with respect to x, then differentiate cheste 2 into y minus k. So again derivative of y, that is y1 into 4a, x derivative 1. So 2 into y minus k into y1 equal to 4a. Okay, 2 times cancel. So y minus k is equal to 2a by y1. 2a by y1. So this is equation number 1. Again differentiate with respect to x. So y minus k, y1 derivative y2 plus y1 into y minus k derivative y1 into 2a derivative 0. So what is the value of y minus k? 2a by y1. Substitute here 2a by y1 into y2 plus y1 into y1, that is y1 square equal to 0. So 2a y2 plus y1 into y1 square, that is y1 cube is equal to 0. So 2a into y2 means d square y by dx square plus y1 means dy by dx whole cube equal to 0. It is the differential equation of the family of parabolas.